Alright, so Laravel just released level 6, and in here you can install the new installer by downloading it here. In this series we are gonna use design and level 6 and React.js, and we're gonna see how to do it. So first of all, when you've installed the new installer by using Composer, here you can go in here and click new terminal, and then in here we will be able to say Laravel. And when you just wait here, you would then actually create a level 6 application instead of level 5. So one of the things we can do here is we can basically go in and just take a look. You need to update your PHP, so it will be at 7.20, and you also need to read the documentation here in order to just understand the new things. I will go through with a lot of the things, but there's some of the parts we won't go through. So this is not really an introduction to level 6 only, it's also an introduction how to use the front end of level 6. It's more front end series. So I'll see you in the next video. Alright, so the only thing we want to do now is we want to install Redux Func, React-redux, and we also want to install just Redux and design. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that's installed. I will see you in the next video. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button.